It is day 0 and I am here on the set, the Whatnot set. It is where I've done all my YouTube lives and my other wee bits and pieces, but this is more or less ready to go. I'm currently on the computer and I am working on the inventory. It's easy enough once you get it going. I think next week it'll be a lot simpler. You've got your setup tasks to do. And I done a trial yesterday on the lives, as some of you guys have seen, and the live starts again as well today. So I've got the camera, and I'll show you here. So there is the camera. That's a Razer Kazon or Kazer, and that ultimately is going to be running both the Whatnot Seller Hub here, the Whatnot Seller Hub, and the live, the YouTube live. That is for that. That's a brand new laptop I got purchased for doing the Whatnot. That is my computer for doing sound that is plugged into this little soundboard. This is a great wee thing. And what this soundboard does, that, basically, let me turn this on, I'll show you. There we go, there's it turned on. So that soundboard does everything. As you can see, I'm talking into the mic and it's picking up everything. I also can play tracks on it. So I can have music playing in the background, as well as other things that I can do. This is all stock that's ready to be listed, or it's actually been listed, and so is this. I just grab off the rail and I start auctioning. Now, I'm a bit concerned about having to reach down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a mobile phone and I'm going to try and see if I can use the mobile phone so I don't get out of the way. As you can see up there, do you see the hook? There's a wee hook up there. That's where the actual Whatnot products will be hanging from while I'm auctioning them off. Now, I was given a piece of advice from some other Whatnotters, and they said, Alan, don't be thinking you're going to do well today. You're not. Which is a shame, because I would like to. I've roughly about 3 to 5 grand's worth of fashion stock up for sale. Whether I get 3 to 5 grand is another thing. We will see what I will sell it at. So at the end of this video, once I've done the show, because Mr. Beast is on at 8 o'clock and I'm doing it from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. I'm finished at 8 o'clock and I have 120 listings to do, which means one every minute. We will see how it goes. All I'm doing now is recording a fly-on-the-wall environment as it goes. We've got the packing table to go in still. I've got some people coming to give me a hand to do the packing. And, I think it's going to be okay. I genuinely think it's going to be fine. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, so I will update you as I start doing it. Remember, there's going to be a video of me doing the live, there's going to be a live doing the live, and there's going to be the Whatnot doing the live. So it's going to be fun. Lots of cameras pointing at me. So thanks for watching, and no, the video's not over yet. So it's the day after. I am wrecked. It's just gone past 10. It took me ages to get out of bed this morning. And I have to say, doing this 3 hours that I did last night, what did I make? Well, sales after everything was paid for, minus my giveaways, which was £150 I gave away yesterday in cash to all my viewers. And I really, really appreciate their patronage. You know who you are. Sean, you killed it. And everybody else that was involved. Wow, I was just amazed by the sheer friendship that I have in the circle. I was really, really pleased and blessed to have friends like that to support me. But we have to continue with this event, and so far, so 3 hours into last night, a knackering 3 hours into last night. Oh, so where was I? The phone rang. Anyway, it is what it is. Where was I? So I am completely knackered. This is something that I never thought I'd expect to do. It was hard work, but I made £1,400, less my £150 I give in bonuses. So I made just close to £1,300 for 3 hours work. I worked this out, and because I've been degraded on eBay as a below standard seller because of something that happened in January, not my fault, it was because of deliveries not arriving, I was degraded to below standard. This produced approximately, my sales went from 4,000 a week down to 1,000 a week. So in one whole week with eBay, I made less than I did with 3 hours on Whatnot. No returns on Whatnot, P2P, it's a great system. And it allows me to get mass stock. I've got loads of stuff to do. Take a look at this. Just take a look at this. This is everything I sold yesterday. They're all bagged up, ready to go. I've got to get the labels, get them all packaged. This is what I sold yesterday. And the total amount of items was 87 packages. And yet on eBay, in a week, I sold 87 packages. So this tells me that eBay is really dead. And the new way of selling is in a studio. This is my studio. And this is where I stand. This is great. So, Whatnot, to me, is my future. I'm looking forward to leaving eBay, finally, getting rid of them. God, it's been such a nightmare. You know, I wanted to sell the business and nobody wanted to buy it. It made no sense as to why someone didn't want to buy something with £1 million of stock, didn't want to buy it for 200 grand. Just, they didn't have the money. Nobody has that sort of money. I did try to sell the battery business and nobody had the money for that either. So everything's going to be sold on Whatnot, and it's going to be sold at the cost price of what I bought it at. In fact, I think I sold some of it less than what I bought it at. But that's okay. I'm okay with that. This is something I have to understand. Sometimes you have to take a bit of a loss to make a go. And my new business is starting to flourish already. I have just become a distributor for Northern Ireland and the UK, but the island of Ireland I own, or the island of Ireland, I own exclusive rights to goldback notes. Do you want to see them? So this is what I'm going to be a distributor of. Goldback notes. They're pure gold, 24 karat gold, and I will be buying them directly from America, from a company, and I'll be buying them bulk. Really, really expensive. A lot of money sitting there already. This one here, look at this. Look at this gorgeous piece of... This is a 100 goldback, and it is 1/10 of a troy ounce of pure gold. Look how class that is. It's a 2025 collector's note. Amazing piece of kit. That is retailing currently at £1,500. That goldback. There's a 50. I'll show you a 50. There it is. Amazing stuff. 2025. Pure gold. That is a 1/20th of a troy ounce of pure gold. 24 karat gold. And I have bought loads and loads and loads. This is going to be the start of a new business that I will own. It's not a major stock requirement. It doesn't require major postal costs. It is high value. The yield on it is only 10%. I only make about 10% on that. But if it goes up and gold goes up in value, I make more because it's priced according to the gold price. The gold standard, not the standard of paper gold, but real gold. And that's what it is. And there is my wallet for carrying the stock. I'll be selling these two. Goldback. A pure goldback wallet. Oh, I see there's more. These are halves. So, that's what I'll be selling, as well as my bullion. There's bullion there. I'll be selling, and I'll show you this, just to get the goldbacks out of the way. So on Tuesday, I am selling pure bullion. Do you like the cushion? The cushion is what I'm going to be displaying at. I'm going to be putting the camera down on Whatnot, like so, all the way down here. And I will be doing this, selling silver that way, because I think it looks great on the blue. Something about the blue, and it was actually someone who said to me, there's psychological reasons why blue is good for selling. You know who you are. Thank you for the advice. And I'm going to do that. That's all I'm going to do. I'm going to have the camera sitting like so, and I'm going to turn it like so. That's all I'm going to do. I might even wear white gloves. That is my new focus on what I'm doing. And I'm saying goodbye to eBay. Finally, I'm going to get rid of the stock, liquidate all my stock using Whatnot. Anything that I have here in stock will be sold by me via Whatnot. We've got 12 weeks to do it. At the minute, my bill or my income after only 3 hours work is £1,415 minus my costs. Let's see how it works. Remember, this is 12 weeks that I'm going to do this program. I am knackered now. I will recover. Don't worry. I will recover. Tuesday is my next one, which is the Coin and Bullion channel. That's going to be up on Tuesday at 6 o'clock. I am then going to do one on Thursday on Whatnot, which is general goods and household goods and Amazon returns, bulk. It's going to be done what's on screen. And I'm super excited about that to see what will happen with that. But if we've got this, I'm going to need staff. I never thought it. Do I want, this is supposed to be staffless, a staffless operation. It will become staffless with the golden bullion. Of course it will, because we don't need a major amount of people to help. But the general goods and the fashion, boy, if it keeps going out like that, I'm going to need 2 or 3 staff just to help me with this. And the eBay and the Amazon. So, without further ado, I'm going to say goodbye. I'm going to thank you very much for being involved in my Whatnot program. This is not going to change. This is going to get more. It's going to get bigger. And after 12 weeks, we will report back to YouTube with regards to how much I made after 12 weeks of doing Whatnot. Look at this. Does anyone know what they are? They are Whatnot coins. I am so proud. I'm the biggest collector of these. I bought 8 coppers and 1 silver. Great. Silver's hitting at £400 a coin in the Whatnot. So rare. It was only 50 of them. I'm very proud to have one. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next episode where I'm fully focusing on the Whatnot whilst I'm still doing my eBay and my Amazon stores, and we will see how much money I can make at the end of 12 weeks, and I will include the Amazon and eBay sales also. See you soon.